telling you about this from the bus station one. Yeah, they are 5 at only 50 bob, 5 each. I hope nimewambia price ya hii, it's only 200 bob. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. It always welcome. Thank so much. Welcome to my family, to my YouTube family. Yeah, I really love you people. I really love visitors, and so thanks so much. Welcome. So guys, today I'm going to take you through how my day is going to be like at work. Yeah, because one of you suggested that I should do, or that I should record a video on how I usually use my free time. So guys, today it's Wednesday, and I'm going to do my work as usual, and then during the day, because where I work is near to Uhuru Park, so I'm going to take a walk at Uhuru Park. Let's see what's there, and yeah guys, so I hope you stay tuned. I really love you so much, and let's go. Hey guys, so we're going for lunch with my Bestlady here. Yeah, so let's go. And then but then don't forget, we're going to Uhuru Park after here. I'm going to show you how it looks like. Yeah, and if you've never been there before, I think this will be the best information to acquire before going there. And yeah, so let's go and take some lunch. Guys, I know this building looks funny, but you just have to cope up with it. Right? See? This is how it looks like. If you've never been here before, yeah. So hi guys, here we are. Finally my day was over, and guys, I'm so sorry for not going to Uhuru Park as I had promised you during the day that I'll be going to Uhuru Park. I didn't get the time, like the day was so busy, and I was planning so many things, and I even failed to achieve some, one of them being that one of going to Uhuru Park. So guys, apart from that, I'm back from work, and as I was coming, I went to Bestlady to buy some braids, because people are complaining about my hair. Yeah, and they're saying that my hair has stayed there for so long that I should change it. And guys, here we are. I'm going to change my hair finally. You know, I keep forgetting that I'm supposed to look at the camera and not to look at myself. So guys, here we are, and if I forget again, guys, you just have to forgive me. Yeah, so guys, as I had some of you have been complaining about my hair, that it's imechapa, and here I decided that I'm going to change it, and I'm going to put this hairstyle. I hope it's cute. I hope it's going to fit me well. You know, I've never tried it, so I hope it's going to fit me well. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to show you the braids that I bought from Bestlady. Yeah, and I hope you're going to love them. They are so nice, they're so pretty. Yeah, and apart from that, me guys, there's something that has been eating me up. Like, I wonder with these women, should I say, I'm so sorry for I'm so sorry to say this. Yeah, I wonder with these women who usually interfere with the other people's children. Like, there's no way you can go to my mom and tell her that, well, I don't you should advise your girl, she's supposed to do this and this. Damn, concentrate on your own. Leave me alone, leave my life alone. Like, I don't want your advices. Like, my mom is there, she can advise me enough. I don't want anybody from anywhere to give me advices. Okay, I understand, I'm supposed to be advised, yes, but what about your kids? Like, why can't you concentrate on your kids? Stop concentrating, or stop following other people's life. It's not that my mom has it's not that mama wetu wameshindwa kutupea advices. No, live alone other people's life. And guys, but as I'm talking this, I hope you're following the corona precautions. You're washing your hands, you're wearing your mask, and you're sanitizing. Guys, this thing is real. Me, I don't want to lose any of my fans, any of my YouTube family. Like, no, I really love you. I want you guys. I really want you, and I need you. So please make sure that you follow the corona precautions. Yeah. So guys, let me stop talking a lot. I'll end up waking my worst moods. And yet today, I really love this day. Yeah, like, of course it has gone so fast, but I really love it. I really love the way the day was. Me, I love when the day goes fast. The kazi ilikuwa sawa. I enjoyed everything at work, and so guys, I'm just going to show you some of the things that I bought from Bestlady. Yeah, and yeah, I hope you're going to like them, and I know you know them. These ones, I bought them from Bestlady, and by the way, they are so cheap. Yeah, they're so cheap. You should go and check them. Yeah, I don't know, sijui kama wako on offer ama sijui, lakini they are so cheap, guys. As you can see, these are darling pamoja long. As you can see, darling pamoja long. Yeah, and the sale that I'm going to put on, I think I've showed you guys, and I'll show you again. Yeah, and even after being plated, I'll show you my hairstyle. And guys, you'll have to comment about the hairstyle. Tell me if it's good, if it's bad, if you like it, if you don't like it. Yeah, so guys, these are the braids that I've got from Bestlady. Guess what, guys? At only 50 bob. Yeah, where's the receipt? Yeah, I first bought this one at Bestlady at the bus station. Uko kwa hiyo Bestlady bus station ndio nimechukua hizi. And by the ladies are so good. They usually direct you if you are kama unataka anything and maybe you can't see it, you can just ask them and they'll tell you, they'll direct you to where the thing or the braid that you're looking for is. And guys, they have everything. They have the face creams, everything. You can na by the way wanaziuza by cheap sana. So if you are out there and you want to start a business, me sioni any harm if you go there and buy, I don't know, unaweza buy 10 and then go and sell it at 65 bob venye tunauza. Anyway, unajua if you go and buy this one kwa at the store here, utapata ni 65. Yeah, mostly inakwanga 65 or 70. Yeah, okay, kugonga sana itakuwa 70, but mostly it's usually 65 bob. So guys, see, 65 bob, and yet me nimetumia how much? 50 bob. So you can go and buy them even if they're 10. Mostly if you work in a salon, you can buy them 10 and then you can sell them, and you see you're getting a lot of profit and you're earning from that. Yeah, so guys, as I was telling you, I bought this from the bus station one. Yeah, they are 5 at only 50 bob. 5 each at only 50 bob. And then I had another one. Yeah, this one I bought it from Bestlady. Hapo Eastmart. Yeah, hapo penye kuna gari za 108. I bought this. It's Spanish. Yeah, and it's long. Guys, let me surprise you, by the way. It's long and there are many, and you won't imagine its price. It's so cheap. So cheap. But then this instead of going to buy these things to these normal cosmetic shops, just go and buy them from Bestlady. I think you'll be saving a lot. Like you won't have to waste any money or anything. So guys, I bought this from Bestlady at only 200 bob. And guys, it's plain, yeah. This one I added one because these 5 they're not going to be enough for the set that I'm going to put on, so I had to add one braid. Yeah, and it's long. Guys, please comment about the style that I'm going to put. I'll make sure that I'll do a video on that. And by the way, me, I don't go to those expensive salons. Excuse, I usually go to these cheap ones. Yeah, the ones that I can afford. Yeah, so I'll be going to that cheap one. And yeah, so this one is a Spanish darling. Yeah, and it's long, as you can see. It's long, number 2, color number 2. And you can see there are so many. There's so many, like I wanted to buy 2. See, the small ones, I wanted to buy the 2 of them, but voila, I got these ones. And guys, I can't wait my hair to be done, and then I'll be joining Slay Squad. Yo, shout out to Dianambaye, by the way. I really love her. She's one of my best YouTubers. Yeah, nimeongeza moja. I know all of you know that I love Miss Trudy, but also I love Wabosha magazine. So guys, this one, wacha tungoje. Let's wait and see how I look like, and then we shall decide. So guys, that's all. I hope nimewambia price ya hii. It's only 200 bob. Venye unaiona hivi, only 200 bob, and you have this one. Is that not magic? Like, guys, so let's go. I'm going to hunt for someone who is going to paint my hair. Like, for now, I don't have any idea who's going to paint my hair, and for me, I don't have that much money to go to those expensive salons. Me, I usually go to these hustlers, these people who usually hustle, the ones who usually plait hairs in those kibandaski. I know you know them, and that's what I can afford for now. Like, I'm not a slave queen, so that's what I can afford for now. And guys, let's go and hunt for someone who's going to plait my hair. We'll be back. I'll come back and tell you if we found one or not. Yeah, so let's go. So guys, we are finally back. At least I've found someone who's going to make my hair, someone who's going to plait my hair. And guys, see, I'm so excited to put that new style on my hair. And let's wait and see if it's going to suit me or it's going to, I don't know. Let's just wait and see. And guys, by the way, me, I need someone who will be able to share with me some of their skin secrets, because for me, my skin is just disappointing me every day. Mara here. As you can see, I know I have a big forehead, like that. So my skin is just disappointing me every day. And guys, please help me out. Yeah, let's meet next time. I really love you so much, and bye. I can't wait to see my next hairstyle. Who is excited with me? Like, are you excited? Are you that excited? I don't know why I'm forgetting. Like, Diana, you're supposed to look at the camera. Look at the camera. Don't look at yourself. Look at the camera. Yeah, so guys, bye. I really love you so much. And kisses for you guys. I don't know how, but this, you give me a name of which I'll be calling you. Instead of calling you guys, should I call you my honey bunches, my munchkins, Team Diana's? No, Team Diana's, no. You guys, no. Hello, my good people. Yeah, I'll be calling you good people. You're good. I really love you so much, and bye. I love you. I'll miss you so much. I don't want to go. I know you're missing. Anyway, bye.